Just a real quick video to show you the features and benefits of this Toro wired rain freeze sensor. The model number is 53853, and this comes in a handy clamshell type packaging that provides plenty of protection. It comes with an owner's manual, comes with a wire nut and a couple of screws. And here you have the rain sensor itself. So this is a wired rain freeze sensor. It will turn the irrigation system off when the temperature reaches about 37 degrees Fahrenheit. Comes with 25 foot of jacketed wire. The jacket just provides protection to the wires inside. And you'll notice it has this cool quick clip gutter bracket. And the quick clip gutter bracket allows you to mount this on the edge of a gutter without using a tool. So you don't need a drill or a screwdriver. You can just use this pan head screw in order to tighten it on the gutter. It does offer the ability to mount it on a fascia or on a fence or something with a couple of screws. It does not come with a conduit mount. Also, you'll see that it is adjustable in terms of the sensitivity, and you'll notice the standard Toro and Irritrol cork assembly. So these things have a 2-year warranty and a really great price. Order while they last.